Webfleet is crucial as a backbone of data. How do you know what data or energy is being put into your vehicles and how it's being used by your drivers? And Webfleet will play an integral part in helping bring all those systems together and giving the insights and the knowledge to empower fleets to really make those decisions and decarbonise and optimise their EV operations.
Tomorrow, we're looking to break the record for the longest distance ever done in an electric van.
Just to push the boundaries of what you can do in an electric vehicle.
We're about to attempt yet another Guinness World Record for long-distance driving.
So Webfleet are bringing a huge amount to the table in terms of the hardware and software that they're helping with on this attempt.
The Webfleet team, both on the ground and across the UK and Europe, meticulously oversaw the data to ensure its accuracy, providing a solid foundation for the adjudicators' review in the Guinness World Record attempt.
Guinness World Records, they need a varied and robust set of data to validate and solidify this result. And the Webfleet data, we're doing this in a sort of two-pronged attack. We have a telematics device that is delivering a position every 2 seconds and uploading to Webfleet. We take odometer readings, start and end of trip, and we're also backing this up with camera data, and we are recording the entire duration of the attempt. We are time stamping that, location stamping that.
All of the work that's been undertaken is a colossal effort, and there's probably, 10 or 15 people at least in the background.
As I say, our mission is to deliver a sustainable future with data-driven insights. Our data is going to help reduce miles on the road, reduce CO2, reduce noise pollution, and our insights are helping to shape the way that fleets are going to be run moving forwards.